So we're in Kidsgrove and it's the 5th of December 2024 and I'm just going on a walk now because a mini tornado has just ripped through Kidsgrove. There's so much damage to the house and the garden, which I'll show you in a minute, but we're just going Boathouse Road because there's reports of all trees down. You can't really see a lot of damage here yet, but apparently all the wooded area and Boathouse Road along here is absolutely devastated. So let's go and have a look and see what we can report for you tonight. I don't know if they've given the tornado a name or whether it's made any news or anything yet. We'll wait till I show you the garden. So there's branches and twigs all over the place here. Can't see a lot of damage yet, but we'll no doubt find out as we keep walking along. Apparently the road's shut. So let's look at all the branches and everything on the road that's come off the trees. Just I'm walking along here now, I can see what's happened. It looks like all the trees are down. There's a car just coming along now, so I don't know how far he's going to get or whether he's going to have to turn around. We're getting now to the devastated area here, and well, I don't know what to say. From where I am at the mow, it just looks absolutely terrible. There's branches and trees. It's unbelievable. Oh my word. I've never seen anything like this before. Look at this, there's a great big branch here in the road.
Down on the corner there, virtually the woods have almost gone on the corner. I don't think it's safe to go any closer, is it, in case any of these fall?
I don't know.
I wouldn't go any further down there now.
No. So look at that there. It's amazing, isn't it? No police or anybody else, but just look at the destruction here on Boathouse Road. It's absolutely colossal. And like I say, I will show you the garden in a second when we get back. So I don't know where all the trees have actually come from. But look at that. So we're just going to check out this corner here now. And apparently the devastation here, from what I've heard, is quite bad. So let's go have a look and see what we can see. So it looks like even the buses are being turned around here. I don't know why. We'll have a look now. Bloody hell, there's trees and there's police here now. So it looks like the road here is completely blocked. So the church has all got loads of trees down on it there, look at that. So here they've shut the road It's just absolutely ripped apart here. This is just unbelievable. Look at the devastation here. There's just trees down absolutely everywhere. Can't believe it.
Wow.
So the road's completely closed. It's just torn through the woods here. And there's even damage this side here. It's just unreal. Just look at this. I've just got no words to say. I've never seen anything like this. It's like being in America, in the Midwest. It's that bad. Like I say, police are here blocking the road, turning everybody around. The church is actually damaged here, but look at the trees all over the church here. Look at this.
Tree there by the church is just...
I can't make up my mind whether that tree's on the roof of the church there, do you? But they're all...
Yeah, you can see the church is damaged. Like
These are actually on the church. We'll have to have a look tomorrow in the light and just see what's what in the light. But just look at this. It's just unbelievable. So yeah, it's just torn through here, completely torn through. Look at all the debris and everything on the road here. It's just unbelievable. It's like I say, it's such a shame I can't see what it's actually done, but it looks like it's torn through the woods. Cars are turning round here. There's just no way through, and it looks like the same here. I'm just going to have a look here now on the actual corner, see what damage has been done here. But the woods there, that's just unreal how it's torn through there. That's outrageous. So let's have a walk along here now and have a look what's happened here. It's like it's gone on a trail as it's torn everything apart. So let's have a look here now. So this is the other end of where we initially started, and there's all wood and trees, and it's even bent the rail there. Look where the trees hit it. I suppose it's a good job nobody was coming along here, else they'd have been killed, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, just look at that. The road's completely closed. We'll just have another look up the top, and then we'll head back and have a look what damage there is at the house. Like I say, the garden's just absolutely torn apart. So that's just unbelievable. Like I say, it's like something's happened in the US. We're gonna head back to the car now, and then we'll go see what's happened at the house.
Yeah, have you seen what's happening to this place now?
garden now, and it's just torn the canopies to pieces, ripped them to absolute shreds there, look. That's just absolutely colossal. Darrell's just going on the roof, check the roof and everything out, make sure that's all right. This canopy, it's actually bent there, the support for it. It's absolutely torn it to pieces, and it's ripped the metal apart there, look. So both of them are absolutely torn to pieces there. Have a look here. All the plant pots are lying on the floor. Another one there. So it's just knocked everything to pieces, really. Christmas trees down there. But as I say, if I turn round there, look at all the damage it's done to the canopy, and like I say, all the plant pots and everything like that, they're all ripped apart and down. It's unbelievable. This side here, it just shows you there again. Look what damage has actually been there. So we're very lucky, really. Like, even with it coming through here, we've got the summer house there that's not been torn apart. Darrell's on the roof. He's just checking the roof out there. I don't know yet whether anything's happened there. He hasn't actually said yet. But it must just have ripped all the way through and come up and through here. As I say, it's just caramelised all the canopies and everything like that. They just absolutely ripped again now. So look at that there. Look at the Christmas tree, and look at all the plant pots. It's just unbelievable. I'm going to stop filming now, and I'm going to go hold Darrell his ladders as he comes down. So again, just look at this here. It's just remarkable how it's wrecked everything.
This is the garden. All the tubs. It's gone everywhere.
It's windy again now. It's blowing this now. Quite bad. But that's just amazing. That just shows you how powerful it is, how it's actually bent that.